And they have lots of different strange things. Along this trail here, it goes up to the mountain. All right, we're coming to the Rock and Gym show. So we're in this Food City grocery store. It's pretty interesting, and they have lots of different strange things. So I'm going to show you some of the stuff they have in a Hispanic store. I mean, I should be laughing. I mean, I grew up in Mexico being really good, but it's being from the Midwest, it's unusual. So let me show you some of the stuff. All right, we're in Tucson Mountain Park. Gonna take a little trail here. We're gonna go on the Golden Gate Trail. Yep, we're hiking along up here. It's in the mid-60s. Nice, beautiful day. And we're gonna go up along this trail here. It goes up to the mountain, but I don't think we're gonna climb. No, we're definitely not climbing up the mountain. That is way too far. Too high up. I don't have that much energy. The trail to go to the top of that mountain is on the back side of it. This trail is really rough. I would not want to ride my bike on this trail. This Tucson rock and minerals is a big deal around here. It's crazy. They have so many locations. Here they have a map of the metropolitan area, and this is Tucson, and there are 29 different sites. There's actually more than that, because all the little rock and gem shops all have their own show. And then you've got these local hotels that set up tents all around them, and they have shows. The casino had a show. It's just crazy. In this is a map of just the downtown area, the Palo Verde area, and then they have the metropolitan area, which is insane. I'd never seen so much for rocks and gems. Well, also, I want to tell you that it doesn't just last one day. The show goes from January 25th to February 12th. All right, we're coming to the Rock and Gem Show. Of course, we're just going to one site because there are all over the city hundreds of booths, probably 20 locations. It's ridiculous for a lot of rocks and gems. And we came to this spot here, and it's very busy. And lots of rocks, petrified rocks. Nice. I like this polished up stuff. And look at this table. Got food trucks here. You hungry yet?
I'm a gold stone at the bottom of a pool, tossed by the jealous waves of the sea. I'm not as strong as I appear to be. Round by the deepest depths of the lake, I lay alone in the darkest place. My sorrow dreaming of the sun. I just wanna be the shining one.
What is it?
Copper holes, pick it up.
Ooh.
Well, the water creeps where the creek don't rise. I'm a rough stone that you'll ever find. Pick me up, throw me out, walk away and don't look back. Round by the deepest depths of the lake, I lay alone
vegan. Now to decide what we want to eat for lunch. There's all the food trucks.
Show my face and look it out to the FBI and
Yeah, right.
Have to move again.
God damn it. Same business name. Now this is how we make it, and this is the most traditional way. If you
Okay.
want to put another level of flavor on there, grab some chips, crumble them up, and they'll give you an extra crunch factor that makes it even better than what it already is.
Okay.
Give me a green tomatillo from in there, guys.
You want some tomatillos?
Oh, that's,
It's already on there.
these
Beautiful.
are all flaming hot.
Yeah, that's how you do it.
That looks good. They're good onions. It's not real, usually onions have a real strong taste to them. These onions are good. It's got lots of good stuff on it too. Good sauces. I like it. Has a different kind of bun too. It's kind of more like a roll. Well, this show is quite a deal. I suppose if you were a jeweler, you'd really like it. Or if you collected different crystals and rocks. We haven't bought anything, but we're enjoying looking around.
Say something, something. 'Cause we don't talk about nothing no more. Feels like
I thought some of you might be wondering, since we RV full-time, how we get our mail. What we did was we signed up with a club called Escapees RV Club, and they're out of Texas. We went to Livingston, Texas, and got set up with them. And the advantage is that you can get all your mail delivered to their business location, and it becomes like your address, because otherwise we would have trouble voting, we'd have trouble getting a driver's license unless we had an established address. They have some other benefits too, such as a few RV parks where you get a discounted rate. They also have some discounts on different things like tires and things like that. At their biggest campground there in Livingston, Texas, they have Care Center, which is really like an assisted living where RVers can, when they get older, live in their RV, and they're close to this building that has nurses' aides, and they can go into the building and have activities and meals. So what we did is we set up a mailbox with them, and we pay so much a month. We get all of our mail forwarded to their location. If we want, they can scan the mail for us. The rates are, I use the category B, which is selected mail types, which is $115 annually. Isn't too bad, but I also pay an extra $10 a month where whenever any of my mail comes in, they'll take the letter and they scan it and then put it up on the website. And then I'm able to see exactly what it is. Then I can choose if I want them to shred it, hold it for delivery, or if I want them to open it up, and 50 cents a page, they'll scan insides of the document. Though I have had them scan a check, printed out the check, and I was able to do mobile deposit. You come over here and they have this dashboard that you go to. You'll get an email when they've received some mail for you. You keep a balance with them for postage when they do mail out. So we get our mail delivered to us like every few weeks when we're here in Arizona. But when we're traveling across the country, we wait until we get to a location for a while and then have the mail delivered there. We're pretty excited too because it just so happens that they're having a national rally coming up here about the third week of March. It's right here in Tucson, and it was right at the time we were getting ready to leave, so we couldn't beat that. It lasts 5 days. They have all kinds of seminars, social gathering, nightly entertainment. But anyway, we signed up for that. We got full hookups, and they'll have vendors that we can go check out.
It's March 19th through 24th, and they're going to have lots of entertainment. So it's just down the road from where we are.